Nikki, when you give a welcome to country like that, is there anything in particular that you hope people take away from receiving such a gift?
I think it's really important when we do a welcome, and particularly when we do something like a smoking ceremony or a leaf ceremony, it is about the fact that we can engage with each other. We can leave something with you. So the leaf is that reminder of the knowledge and the wisdom that we hold from the land. It is personal, that it is connectable, and it is about an exchange. This place has many stories, has many connections to the Aboriginal people. We have Nganno, is the giant. Nganno was the person who named all the areas along the Adelaide Plains. Hopefully, you'll get to see Nganno because he only comes to those who are ready to see him.
I think I see him up here. I see the profile of a man's face.
Yeah.
I can see his forehead and his nose and a big smile.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see him. You're looking out that way?
You know, Nganno is not only the giant of this place, but he is the spirit of this place, and he protects all of those landscapes that it's named across Adelaide.
As the overseer.
He is.
Yeah, overlooking the country.
Yeah.
It's a privilege to see him, yeah. At first, I wasn't sure what Michael was talking about when he mentioned Nganno. He said that I had to be ready to see him, or that he had to be ready to reveal himself to me. And when I walked up there and I turned around, it was like, wow, there he was. He just appeared, emerging from the rock, looking over the land like the protector. The spirit in the land is exactly the same spirit that we have in us.